Hey guys, this is Billy Williams. Welcome to the Inspire a Nation Insurance Agent Mentoring Program. Don't make this program difficult. Don't overthink it. Don't overanalyze it. Just follow the steps. We've already figured out all the hard work for you, so just follow the steps. Why should you follow our best practices? Well, each individual task in the video library had to generate or save the agency at least $1 million in a 36-month period in order to even make the cut for the video and document library. So again, we've done all the work. A lot of people say, Billy, can you summarize the mentoring program for me? Absolutely. Here are the checklisted items. We're going to start with week 1. You're going to take the pre-training quiz. The quiz is going to help you lock into the key areas of the training we need you to focus on. Don't worry, we expect you to fail the pre-training quiz. Don't sweat it. Just use the results to help you focus during the training. Then you're going to download the week 1 checklist. Now this summarizes everything that you need to accomplish the first week. There's a lot of stuff in the video library and you're going to want to jump around, you're going to see shiny stuff and you're going to want to say, ooh. Don't. Just follow the week 1 checklist, okay? The running man or the action steps is going to guide your path. Don't jump around, don't overthink, just follow the running man. Every time you see one, that means there's something for you to do or read. You're going to be given a list of best practice technology tools and automated tasks that need to be in place to perform our best practices. We don't care what tool, technology, or automation you use or have available to the agency. Our best practices are based on proven tasks. We don't care what tool or automation you use. You just need to perform our task. Sometimes you won't be able to perform it inside of your technology and you're going to have to manually perform it or use an outside piece of technology. That's why we have our one-on-one meetings so we can discuss that. You're going to use the black sheets, the step-by-step instructions, the videos, the job aids, and all those are going to help you implement the various tasks. The black sheets are going to give you a quick visual representation of what the process looks like. Okay? Our mentoring program starts with technology and automation. We're not trying to change your staff's conversation. Changing the conversation within the agency is the most challenging part of the whole process. Changing the culture is very challenging. So don't waste the first week of your mentoring program trying to change your staff's conversation. Just use the email templates, use the automation, and use the technology. The conversations will come in time. Okay, that'll come in time. I just want to take a moment, give you a quick overview of what you're going to go through. So now, follow the action man, follow the action steps in the running man, and actually read and watch the videos of what needs to be done.